the whole Cherokee Nation, put us on this reservation, took away our way of life, tomahawk and the bow and knife, took away our native tongue, taught their English to our young. And all the beads we made by hand are nowadays made in Japan. Cherokee people, Cherokee tribe, so proud you lived, so proud you died. They took the whole Indian nation, put us on this reservation,